Hey everyone, welcome back to LGQUEEN Home Decor, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be revealing multiple Dollar Tree outdoor DIYs you could use for your backyard area, patio, and porch. These super easy outdoor DIYs from the Dollar Tree will bring style and elegance to your unique outdoor space. All of the DIYs I bring to you are made with the intent to be high-end, luxurious, and unique to bring flair and aesthetic to any room. Let me know in the comments below which outdoor DIY is your favorite and which one you plan to recreate. Today's sponsor is Hungry Root. Now let's get started. For all of you watching, I can imagine you have very busy lives and schedules like myself and maybe feel like there isn't enough time in the day. There has been so many times I've been in a rush to complete tasks and I don't get the time to invest in what truly matters, which is my health. Many times I end up eating whatever comes to mind in the moment or going out to the same places to eat over and over again. The reality is the routine gets old very quickly. Do you all feel the same on this and get tired of eating the same meals or at the same places over and over again? I've even tried to do different things such as meal prepping, watching calories, and even making efforts to make new things I get from the grocery store. This has been challenging to maintain and be consistent on. I have found a way that's truly made eating healthier more simple, fun, and has saved me so much time and money. I want to take just a moment to share with you all the details on this because I know it'll help you just like it has for me. Today's video sponsor is Hungry Root, and if you didn't know, Hungry Root can bring you groceries and simple recipes that are recommended just for you. You start out by taking a super fun quiz that finds out what you like to eat and your personal health goals. They will then personalize your cart and send you a box of groceries and meals that you confirm for that week's order. The thing is, you don't have to get groceries every single day of the week from them. Let's say you wanted to just get help with 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days out of the week with meals and snacks. You can do just that. I receive items in this box that I have never tried before and it was all so delicious. Some of these creations I never knew existed, such as these carrot cake coconut cookies, and they were amazing, you guys. I also loved trying the plant-based mini chocolate donuts guilt-free. Since this is a box of groceries, I also received additional snacks, shakes, desserts, and 3 recipes for 3 dinners. The recipe instructions are literally just a few sentences long and are super quick to make. This has saved me so much time instead of going out shopping and prepping and even wasting food. It's so easy to just go into the fridge, pull out the recipe, and make it so conveniently. I was able to make chicken tikka masala with broccoli and naan, tzatziki chicken with veggies, couscous, and gingery chicken and peas bowl. All of these took less than 15 minutes to make and were incredible. If you would like to get help with your grocery selections and incorporate new recipes that are super easy, healthy, and saves you time, I recommend you give Hungry Root a try. As part of tuning in today, the first 100 people who click the link in my description box or scan the QR code on the screen and use the code LGQUEEN40 will get a whopping 40% off their first grocery order with Hungry Root. The selection and quality is nothing less of high standard and quality with whole and trusted ingredients. They offer vegan, non-GMO, low sodium, low sugar options, dairy-free, and so much more to help you with your health goals. Each week before your box ships out, you have the option to review and modify your snacks, desserts, recipes, and more as they're fully customizable. I know you all will enjoy it as much as I do. Thank you, Hungry Root, for this amazing service you offer for all of us and for being today's sponsor. Now let's get back to finishing these outdoor DIYs. As a bonus for making it to the last DIY, I'll be showing you all how to make a custom marble vase. Although not from the Dollar Tree, you can make one similar here to be a luxurious decor piece for a candle holder or to hold flowers in it. This one turned absolutely beautiful and can be used indoors or outdoors. Thank you to everyone who tuned in for today's video and stayed until the end. Your continued support is inspiring to me and I can't wait to bring you all the next video. Please make sure to leave me a comment below of what your favorite DIY was today and share this video with a friend. Don't forget to try Hungry Root out to save time and money for the way you get groceries and recipes by using my code LGQUEEN40 to get 40% off your first order. I look forward to talking to you all in my next video, and until then, have a blessed day. Take care.